Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Honey. Honey is a fantastic, free browser extension that automatically searches for and applies coupon codes at checkout when you shop online. It's designed to help you save money effortlessly on your purchases, making online shopping even more rewarding. Just install it and let it do the work for you, finding those hidden discounts. Getting started with Honey is super simple. First, add the Honey extension to your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Firefox. Once installed, just shop online at your favorite stores as you normally would. When you reach the checkout page, Honey will automatically pop up and test available coupon codes, applying the best one for you with just one click. It's truly that easy to start saving. Honey offers more than just coupon codes. Its drop list feature lets you add items you're watching and get notified if their price drops, helping you buy at the perfect time. You can also earn Honey Gold on eligible purchases, which are reward points that accumulate over time. Once you've collected enough gold, you can redeem it for free gift cards to various popular retailers, adding another layer of savings. To truly maximize your savings with Honey, remember to check for deals across a wide range of online stores. Don't forget that Honey can often be combined with other loyalty programs or credit card rewards for even greater benefits. Always keep an eye out for special promotions. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.